Hello friends, welcome to the first class of AutoCAD, which is Introduction to AutoCAD. So the contents we have tried to cover in this presentation: history and brief about the tool, purposes and uses of the tool, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, and some of the designs made using this tool, as well as the companies who prefer this tool for their day-to-day activities. History and brief about the tool. AutoCAD is a software application for both 2D and 3D computer-aided design and drafting. AutoCAD is one of the first tools designed for the drafting. Also, even today, it is one of the most widely used drafting software worldwide. AutoCAD was derived from a program that began in 1977 and then released in 1979 called CAD, also referred to as MicroCAD, by Marine Chip Software Partners before the formation of Autodesk by co-founder Michael Riedel. However, the first version of AutoCAD was released in 1982. AutoCAD is developed and marketed by Autodesk Inc., which is headquartered in San Rafael, California, USA. The company was founded by John Walker in 1982, who also co-authored the first versions of AutoCAD. What are the purposes and uses of AutoCAD? AutoCAD is computer-aided design software that architects, engineers, and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D drawings. AutoCAD includes industry-specific features and intelligent objects for architecture, mechanical engineering, electrical design, and much more. AutoCAD is used to draw, design the documents and the applications with easy customization options. What are the advantages of AutoCAD? AutoCAD is one of the most widely used pieces of design softwares. It is being used by all the companies, large or small, all companies. It has been a pioneer of design industry, having been around for more than 30 years. During that time, it has evolved to being one of the most sophisticated design tools on the market. It saves lots of time, is it? With a specific and user-friendly interface and workflow, AutoCAD works speedily. It saves the time of the designer. Estimation. It can also be used for estimation. With some inbuilt tools in AutoCAD, estimation of area, length, of some of the parameters of the drawing can be performed very easily. And it can interact with other modeling softwares as well. AutoCAD files can be imported to other modeling softwares like SKETCHUP and 3ds Max, with which it saves time and energy of an architect that he can involve in more creative work, is it? It can import and export file formats like PDFs and to lower versions of AutoCAD. Getting started with the tool. This is a default page of AutoCAD. We will explore the parts of AutoCAD software. This is title bar. This is application toolbar. This is window control. This is tool ribbon. View control. Crosshair and pick bar. Drawing area. Use yes icon. Command window. Status bar. Navigation bar. When AutoCAD opens, ready for you to get started for creating designs, you see a screen that includes the following that we have already reviewed in the previous slide. Title bar contains the name of the currently open file along with the version. Application toolbar contains options to open new file, to print, to export and import the file options. Window control contains options to close, minimize the presently open file. Tool ribbon. The ribbon organizes tools into logical groupings. The ribbon provides a compact palette of all the tools necessary to create or modify your drawing. It can be placed on top of your drawing area, which is by default, or it can be placed on right or left side of your drawing area, depending upon your requirement, of course. View control, it can be used to choose the views of the design, usually helps in 3D drawing. Crosshair and tick bar will be starting point of your drawing. Any designs controlled with the mouse pointer, also used to select the drawing in green and blue planes. This will explore in detail in our future classes. Drawing area is a specific space available for designing. UCS icon signifies the working plane of your designs with X, Y as well as Z coordinates. Window allows the designer to access the tools without searching in the tool ribbon. Status bar. The status bar displays the cursor location, drawing tools, and the tools that affect your drawing environment. The status bar provides quick access to some of the most commonly used drawing tools. You can toggle settings such as grid, snap, folder tracking, and object snap. Navigation bar. It contains tools used for navigating inside your drawing space. We have accumulated some of the mechanical design which are made using this tool. As well as we have accumulated some civil designs, civil engineering plans made using this tool. Some of the reputed companies which are using this tool, it is Turner, L&T, Acom, Ramboll, Sterling Wilson, Design Tree, CMAC, Bechtel, etc.